um, toothbrush, shampoo, just brush off the extra, spring her with
Tinututbrush pa putang na.
put out the face by the cheekbones, gently brush.
Yung ano, whiskers, yung mukha ang tinututbrush. Kala ko yung ngipin. Tagal pala, dami palang ano.